Get ripped. The muscular slang in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English learning session. If you've been curious about gym talk or fitness discussions, you might have heard someone say they want to get ripped. But what does that mean? Today, we're going to break down this phrase, explore its meanings, and show you how to use it in conversation. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to flex your language muscles as well as understand a bit more about fitness culture in English-speaking countries. Let's get started. When people say they want to get ripped, they're not talking about tearing something. In fitness terms, to get ripped means to develop very defined muscles and reduce body fat so that these muscles are visible. The term suggests a high level of muscular definition and is often associated with a body that looks like it could be in a fitness magazine. But it's not just about lifting weights. Getting ripped involves a combination of strength training, nutrition, and sometimes cardio exercises. It's a goal for many fitness enthusiasts and requires dedication and hard work. The term, ripped, has its roots in bodybuilding culture and has been around for several decades. It originally described the intense muscle definition that bodybuilders achieved for competitions. Over time, it has become a common phrase in everyday English to describe anyone with a well-defined muscular physique, not just professional bodybuilders. Now, let's practice using get ripped in some sentences. I'm going to the gym 5 days a week because I want to get ripped for summer. She's really committed to her workouts, and it shows. She's gotten so ripped. Getting ripped is not just about exercise, it's also about the right diet. By using the phrase in these contexts, you show an understanding of both the term and the culture it comes from. And that wraps up our session on the phrase, get ripped. I hope you found it insightful and that you're feeling a little more prepared to understand English speakers when they talk about their fitness goals. Remember, language learning is like getting ripped. It takes practice and consistency. So keep at it, and don't forget to have fun with the language. See you next time.